Basketball U. Betcha I'm back, baby. And this is going to be my favorite part of what I like to do, and that's fitness, okay? So we're going to give you a little bit of fitness with Basketball U as well as the handle, right? So first thing that we're going to do is we are going to use this as a focus workout, right? So it could be a warm-up for you before a game, or it can be a workout for you in general. This is everybody's favorite, man. Jumping jacks. If you have never done jumping jacks before, here you go with a quick example. And now we're getting right into it. So here we go. Oh yeah. You want to make sure those feet are outside those shoulders. And when you are spreading those feet wide, your hands are high. Perfect. And you just got to do a few of them. For me, I can do 20 to 30, and it really gets the legs burning. And there's different variations to this. If you don't want to look goofy in the gym doing jumping jacks while everybody else is looking cool with their Crocs on, you can definitely do something similar to this, and I'm going to show you in just a second. Okay? And finishing it up. Nice job. Whew, you got me breathing hard out here. I'm already warmed up. Not sweating yet, but I'm warm. I'm ready. Are you ready? Ready for the next one? Let's go. All right, so getting right back into it, we're gonna do hand claps. As you can see, they're very easy, similar to jumping jacks, okay? You can do them forward and you can do them up. So I'm gonna do them forward and then I'm gonna do them up. Okay, so I'm here, boom, 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 boom. Get a nice rhythm in. Hey, whoa, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Love it. Come on. You gotta have fun with the warm-up, right? Good. Okay. So hand claps. Again, shoulders are moving, legs are moving. It's heating your body up, and that's what you want to be. You want to be warm. Okay. You don't want to go into a game cold. You want to be ready. Anything can happen. You're gonna have that team that's gonna press you early in the morning. Look, you just gotta be ready for anything that's coming. All right. Basketball U. This is gonna be basically air jump roping. Okay. With air jump roping, you're just working the consistency of the jump, really working that exercise. There's a timing that goes with the jump rope, and it's a big thing of, you know, making sure you don't hit your legs, stepping on the jump rope. But with this, you can just keep the consistency, keep it easy, and we're working those arm circles too. Okay, so I know you're familiar with that. So just a nice easy bounce on it. Okay, getting those arm circles. The timing of the arm motion and your feet don't matter as much like it does with the jump rope, but you're okay. Again, nice and easy. I like to go side to side. It just keeps me like in a fun motion of being able to keep the consistency of the jump without getting bored. And then once those calves start burning, you don't want to do too much jumping. But anyway, 50 to 100 jumps, okay? Small jumps. Then we're going to go into our big air jumps that we want to do as we are looking to be better rebounders off the vertical, okay? So big jumps, boom, right? So there's a double jump. And you can do the arm circles kind of slow, but it's really creating that jump to try to tip and fight for the rebound. And that's just another version of the double jump with that. Okay, so now when we look at that, we want to make sure the biggest thing that we're focusing on is that explosion, and we're not going to get a chance to go all the way down into a squat jump. So really when we land, we want to be able to pop right back up. All right, perfect, great job. Keep it rolling too. You want to do about 10 to 15 there. Okay, so now we got high knees or knee thrusters, okay? Just keeping it simple. Again, you can run in place, you don't have to run forward. All these are easy in place, small area workouts, okay? So basically what we'll be doing is we'll be keeping those knees high and we're just tapping, 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 tapping. You can go to whatever level you want, and we're gonna do it for about 20 seconds. That would probably be a little bit over half court, maybe. No, it'll be a full court. About 20 seconds of a run, there and back, right? Good, okay, so pretty easy. Really gets those hips going, moving, active, burning, like everything else that we're doing here. And again, you just want to keep them high as possible, leveraging those hands. If you want them to be higher and you want to extend higher to get that knee, that's fine. I think that's great for you. So keep working. Really try to get them up higher as you continue to do these. Okay, so now we're going to do broad jumps. We're just going to, again, keep it in that short distance. Okay, biggest thing you want, okay? We're going to go about 3 jumps, okay? But it's very light. So we're going to be here, boom, here again, boom, here again, boom, okay? And we're going to turn around, boom, 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 okay? Very easy. As we continue to do those, and you can keep going, okay? You want to do about 5 sets of those. And really, you're just working on exploding out, boom, landing, really resetting again, and then exploding out again. It doesn't have to be far. Again, these are warm-ups, okay? So it's not about a full workout. I have burpees and other agility workouts that you can do, you know, on the other workouts. So we were combining it with the workouts. This is strictly just for the warm-up. All right, so remember, those are broad jumps. We want to land, do about 2 or 3 in a good small space, turn around, and then do it right over again. Okay, just repeat. Okay, so similar to that one, we got ski hops. So now you're going 2. Okay, so now we're going here, we're going here, we're going here, we're going here. So it's a little bit of that squat, right? Throwing those arms, man. Oh yeah. Boom. Boom. Yes. Right. Come on, a couple more. Just follow me. Yep. Good. Keep going. I know it's burning. Very good. Okay. So again, just want to stay moving, stay active. You'll start to feel a little sweat. And once you do, that's when you know that warm up is really working for you. Especially like when we're doing layups, you ever feel that sweat, that pregame? You're getting that pregame sweat before you even start. Okay, now the last thing we're gonna finish up with, you're gonna go fast feet. Just gonna run forward and work a stop. Okay, so it's almost like a little bit of a lunge stop. So we're gonna go fast feet. Oh yeah, we tap dancing on them. We tap dancing on them. You can do like 5 to 10 seconds, right? Quick feet, we sprint, boom, and then you stop. And you go back, we're running, we're moving, I'm here, boom, stopping with that left. And then I'm back, and then I'm quick, and I'm quicker, and I'm fast. Boom, boom, good, good, good. Yep, keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Oh, I feel the burn. I hope you feel the burn. Oh, boom, a little negative step there. So that's how we're gonna do that. Again, you can do 4, 5, 6, whatever you feel is gonna get you warmed up. Everybody's different, right? You might wanna only do 3 each leg. However you feel, what's necessary, that's it, okay? Biggest thing is, you should be breathing like me. And you completed the workout. So great job, okay? Walk around to cool down a little bit. Be ready to go. Make sure you stay hydrated. Again, this can be for a workout. This can be before your game. Or it could be just to keep moving and stay active when you're not working out. So just make sure that you're always doing something, right? Because that's important. And the reason why is someone's always working. Are you?